Camera flashes light up the boxing ring as two boxers get ready for a fight that the whole world will watch. The crowd is loud, each punch and counterpunch met with cheers or boos. Amidst the action, one fighter reflects on advice from a mentor. It's not just about throwing punches. You have to create a story people want to be a part of. That fighter reflecting on the advice, Jake Paul. Born in Cleveland, Ohio, Jake Paul had a modest upbringing but grand ambitions. Instead of taking the traditional route of higher education, he opted for the school of hard knocks, making a name for himself on the Vine app before starting a YouTube channel. He understood early on the power of narrative, storytelling, and, most importantly, controversy. As his fame grew, so did the level of criticism. On the first hand, Jake couldn't handle this. It looked like he would fall under the pressure of fame and social media. Yet he recovered and remained unflinchingly focused, often citing a favorite phrase, "Haters are my motivators." Not one to be deterred, Jake transitioned from viral pranks to the world of professional boxing, a move seen by many as impossible, but ultimately fitting for someone who thrived on challenging expectations. While Jake's career decisions often drew mixed reactions, the stakes were highest when he decided to face professional fighters. The build-up was fraught with media frenzy, hype, and a sense of imminent spectacle. As he walked into the ring for the first time, Jake reminded himself, "I'm leaving the world of clicks and views and entering the world of punches and bruises." Each fight became a milestone, each win a testament to his hard work. We'd like to call his time in ring as the Paul paradox, a concept where Jake simultaneously embraced the harsh criticisms while retaining an unyielding belief in his own brand and mission. This dual mindset enabled him to thrive in a world where every action was dissected and judged, often harshly. You see, in life, in your life, you'll face situations that will challenge the narrative you've built for yourself. While you may not be stepping into a boxing ring, you will be judged, criticized, and sometimes ridiculed. What Jake Paul teaches us is that enduring commitment to your vision, combined with an ability to adapt, can be the linchpin of not just surviving, but thriving. So, when life puts you in the corner, think of Jake Paul. Develop your own paradox that balances facing your reality and believing in your journey, turning trials into triumphs. Thanks for watching and stay inspired.